有好看，無好看，會歹行，袂歹行。
The title of the dialogue gives us an important point of grammar. With,
好
use,
有無
not,
會袂
with,
歹
use,
會袂
not.
有無
See Grammar Note 3.
昨昏你有去佗位佚佗無？有去佗位佚佗無？有無
Makes this sentence mean, did you go anywhere? Distinguish from.
昨昏你去佗位佚佗？
Note well. Did you go anywhere for recreation yesterday? And where did you go for recreation yesterday? Are both questions used to inquire if someone went out to play yesterday, but there are some subtle differences. Did you go anywhere for recreation yesterday? Is a general question used to confirm if someone went out to play yesterday, and the answer can be yes or no. This question uses the auxiliary verb did to indicate a past action. Where did you go for recreation yesterday? Is a special question used to ask where someone went to play yesterday, and the answer requires a location. This question uses the interrogative word, where, to indicate that the question is about a location.
電視做啥？
Means, what did TV put on? Equals, what was on TV?
電影做啥？
Equals, what was the movie about?
做電影
To show a movie.
今仔日的香蕉
Is understood today's bananas means bananas bought today.
我看
Plus negative. We translate as, I don't think that.
袂啥物歹食
Equals don't taste so bad.